books is don't lie to her.
Nowhere to
Don't
go.
lie to her about being a sometime guy. Don't go over there and have sex with her if you don't mean it. You know, because if you have sex with her, she's going to believe that you
Down.
want her back.
Okay. That's sex is just sex. But I'm not gonna go at it because we have a son together.
He's in bird heaven.
Sex with my son's dad.
I don't think that's wise.
He's a baby bird.
I don't think that's wise because he has no reason to do
He's a
anything
bird.
other than to
He's a
continue to have
bird.
sex with you, not marry you. You're not going to move on and find somebody
He's a
else.
birdie.
You're
He's a
stuck in
birdie.
a place that you know
He's
you
a
don't want to
birdie.
be, and you can't get out of it because you want to satisfy your sexual.
I'm
You know what
making
saying?
myself tired watching the bird
And he doesn't
be
have
tired.
he doesn't have to do anything. He's getting everything he wants.
Now he's like, why'd you stop?
In his
Why'd you stop? Look at him. He's looking around. He's like, why'd you stop? No. Where'd your hand go? Pin me again. Pin me again. There we go. That's the spot. That's the spot. That's the spot. That's the spot. He's a baby bird. Anything in particular? Allergies or something? I mean, any reason why in particular, I said.
You know what I mean? Be reasonable with him. You got a son together. You don't
Yeah, well, not good.
You're not defined by who you are. You're defined by what you become. She wants $1,460.
Pretty bird. Hello? Hello? Where are we going? Where are we going? Where's the ball? Where's the bird? Oh, yeah? He's a baby bird. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah, I know where it is, yeah. The Gravitron thing. Roger, I'll finish that washing that out. I had to answer that phone. I forgot about it. Wash the coffee pot and stuff. Yeah, left it in the sink. Well, Dad, I'm going to jump off here. I got the bird in the hand. The bird's biting my finger. He's attacking. He's attacking me violently. Oh, he's biting. Oh, he got me. He got my finger in the lock. Uh-oh. Oh, man, he won't let go. Gonna have to call the cops. Up, up. He's drawing blood. Up, look at that. He bit me. Up, that's it. I'm in trouble now. I'm in trouble. Roger's going to hop in the shower. Bird's got me in the bite. Bird's got me in vice grip bite. Yup, look at him. Ow, let go, bird. Let go. He's like half asleep, falling asleep on my leg. Alright, Dad. I'm going to let you go. Alright.